Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I went on holiday, I received a package from Pixi, and I'm just going to quickly open it with you guys. I wanted to include this in a separate video, but this video is also makeup related, so I'm just going to do it now. I got this before I went on holiday, so I didn't get the chance to show you guys. Oh, so this is the Pixi vitamin C set, I'm guessing. So it says 5 power pack skin treats for all skin types. It's your daily dose of skin brightening, and it's paraben free, vegan, gluten free, and how do you say that? Free. How do you say that?
Philippian.
You what? Okay, so on the back it also has some information about it. Oh look, it says my name on it. That's so cute. It says prepared for Muna. I'm too excited. Let's just open up and see what's on it. What's inside it, I mean. Okay, so the first thing we have is this vitamin C lotion. It's vitamin C and ferulic acid. You know what? There's a lot of words that I can't say. Bear with me. It's a brightening moisturizer. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we also have a vitamin C Caviar balm with vitamin C and that ferulic acid thing as well. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this yellow. I love yellow. This is so cute. I just want to eat it. And this is what the Caviar balm looks like. It's a brightening leave-on mask. Oh, I didn't even say what it was. So this is a brightening leave-on mask. I'm definitely going to be trying that. I'm going to film a separate video where I try all of these things out for you guys. But I just wanted to open up because I was very curious. So this is a vitamin C juice cleanser. Oh my god, this looks yummy. It's a brightening antioxidant cleansing water. Oh, it's like micellar water. Next we have this vitamin C serum. Ooh, this pack is similar to the one that they recently sent to me, except this is all vitamin C related. This would have been so perfect when I went on holiday. Wow, but I literally got it on the day that I left, so yeah. At last we have this. Oh yes, I've been waiting for something like this. This is a vitamin C tonic. So they recently sent me their glow tonic, the rose water one, and this is the vitamin C version of it. So it's a brightening toner. I'm so excited for this. It says vitamin C has potent antioxidant power. It promotes healthy collagen production and is known to boost skin luminosity. Yum. So this is the one that they sent me before, and yeah, I'm basically finished. So I'm very excited to try this one out. As usual, I will be filming a video showing all of these products. Not this one. And letting you guys know how I feel about them. But again, thank you very much to Pixi for sending me these products. I always appreciate it. I'm always feeling very blessed. So I hope... I don't know what I hope. What do I hope?
She hopes that she will receive more.
No, no, I do hope that I receive more packages, but I am very thankful for these ones, and I'll be trying them out for you guys very soon. So yeah, let's go on with the video now.
You're gonna be in it as well or not?
No.
You just hand in it?
Yeah, literally just my hands.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's ZAKIA.AO. Well, what's your intro?
I have no idea. I don't do anything.
Guys, back again on Muna's YouTube. Today she's going to be doing a bit of my makeup.
English, please. So I'm gonna do like a cut crease. She wants a little bit of glitter, not too much, not too little, just the right amount.
Less is more.
The exact. Well, we're doing glitter, so that's not really less. I'm just gonna be fast forwarding through. You guys know how these work. I've already done her brows off camera. I'm gonna do her eyes, and then I'm gonna do her face. So let's get started.
Wow.
Well, seasoned, eh? Of course.
You didn't make that.
I made that. What do you mean?
Chicken.
You wish I didn't make that.
I knew I did.
YouTube don't need to know that I didn't make that. I made that cheese seasoned chicken. Come on. But she got rice in your mouth. You better eat that. There we go.
I'm saving up for later. I can see myself now.
No! It's okay. I wanted to record your reaction.
She pushed me. I love it. Inshallah, is that ZAKIA.AO'?
Yeah, you better wipe those drusty. You see the word drusty? It means giant crusty lips. Drusty lips. Drusty. Drusty. Yes. Let me guess it. Yes, 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 yes.
Oh my god! Thank you guys for watching my video. And again,
This is the end of the video, guys.
my makeup.
You look beautiful, whatever. Guys, what do you think of her makeup? Let me know down below. Make sure you guys follow Zakia. Her link will be in the description. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want to see me do more transformations like this, let me know. So, what do you rate yourself out of 10, baby girl?
20.
You are 20.
20.
Gee, you're 20.
Baby girl. Baby girl. They ain't no number.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, blah blah, all of that shit.
Don't forget to post notifications.
Oh hell yeah.
Bye.
Oh my days, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Why?
You know how the regular YouTubers do it, like
And
we
then,
gotta
like,
do that, you know,
bye.
like peace out. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm so hungry. Mod.
Got it. Who that? Who is that? Who is that? Now it's on.
So it's ZAKIA.AO', get to know.
No, wait.
No?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys.
What's it called?
And today we are doing makeup with ZAKIA.AO'.
No, we're not doing it.
ZAKIA,
No, no.
it's done.
Yes, he did the makeup, guys. Did you do my makeup?
No.
Okay then.
Get over here, man.
Bye.
Okay, move.
Yes.
You'll have to sleep.